Hello everyone, this is Shansha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about top 5 skills that you can learn as a student to start your side hustle. These skills are really easy to learn and especially for students, they are high paying. So if you're a student who is looking to earn money with your studies, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch the video till the end so that you can have a clear idea then what are the skills then you can pursue according to your interest. And also if you practice these skills daily and implement regularly, you can definitely have a full-time career in this set of skills. You can start earning money with this set of skills by becoming a freelancer. I'll be explaining these things as the components of business so that you can also have an idea that how these skills are interrelated and these are the people who take businesses to next level. We live in 2022, right? There are a number of businesses who are emerging and wants to have their presence on the internet. The basic thing that is needed to have a presence on the internet for a business or an individual is a website. Now this is where the role of the web developers come into play. Web developers basically construct the websites for the individuals or businesses so that they can have a presence on the internet. There are basically different roles as a web developer. You can be a front-end developer, you can be a back-end developer, then you can also be both, which is known as full stack developer. This is a demanding skill which can even help you make a pretty much good amount even at the beginning. As a beginner, you can charge $15 to $10 per website, and as on you go on implementing these skills, you can also charge like $100 to $200 per website. I have even seen freelancers who charge from $1,000 to $5,000 for just one website. Yeah, this is a ever growing and ever demanding skill. This is an ever demanding and ever growing field, and if you want to have a fine career, then web development is going to be one of those options. Now the business has its own presence on the internet. Now the question is that what will you show on the website? You just can't have some pictures and buttons, right? You need to have some content on the website so that people read can understand. This is where content writers come into play. Now what does these content writers do? These content writers write content for the websites, they write content for the articles, they write content for the videos, they write wherever you hear about the term content, you can assume that that content has been written by a content writer. What is the role of a content writer? The role of a content writer is just presenting a topic in an interesting and attractable manner so that whoever comes and reads these topics, he get impressed by the content. Not just write content for websites and articles, they even write content for Facebook ads, Instagram ads, blogs and many other things. Content writers basically charge on the number of words they write. For beginners, it's like 300 to 400 rupees for writing an article of 250 to 300 words. This is what most beginners charge, and after nourishing your content writing skills, you can even charge 1000 to 1500 rupees for the same number of words. After having a strong portfolio in content writing, you can even charge $1000 to $500 for each article or newsletter that you write based upon the length of the article and also the client requirements. Now the business has established itself on the internet. Now the business requires an identity so that it can differentiate itself from other businesses. Basically, the business requires a logo. Now this is where graphic designers come into play. Graphic designers not only design logos, but they create posts, ads, carousels, banners, business cards and many more things that includes creativity using design and style. Basically, graphic designers helps businesses and individuals to look professional and attractive using design and style. I personally feel many students take this as a skill to start their side hustle, which is absolutely fine. There are some professional industry level tools that you need to learn. They are Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom. You can also start by learning Canva, which is again a free tool to use. Graphic designing is really a nice skill to have. You will always have a chance to unleash your creativity on the projects that you get. Now, the business has established itself on the social media platform. Now it requires some content to be posted on their social media handles. It can be images, it can be carousels, it can be posts and videos. This is where video editors come to play their role. Video editing is really a fine skill to have in your list. This skill is always growing, and this is always in demand for the content creators. The more attractive the video is, more the people will engage with businesses and individuals' content. Through video editing, you can earn money by editing wedding clips, editing ads, editing YouTube intros, making some awesome motion graphics. There are lots of things that you can do with video editing. This is an ever demanding skill, and I have seen people earning like 4,000 to 5,000 rupees for just editing a 1 minute video, which just blows up my mind. Earning such a huge amount for such a short video is possible, but the fact is that you need to be really strong in video editing. Last skill is social media marketing. Now, social media marketers helps businesses and individuals to grow on social media platform. They help them by running ads, they help them by analyzing their ads, analyzing their campaigns, telling them which campaign is working, which campaign is not, just giving them directions how to make their presence on social media more strong. In the upcoming time, I'm going to be posting videos on each and every skill, diving deep into the concepts, and also sharing with you guys some free resources that you can use to learn them. If you think the video is useful, definitely like it and subscribe to the channel. And if you find the video is worth for watching, then definitely share it with your friends. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.